In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact TurboTax quickly and easily, whether you need help with your account, have questions about your tax filing, or need technical support. Connecting with TurboTax can be simple if you know where to look. First, open your web browser and visit the official TurboTax website. The site is user-friendly and well-organized, offering a variety of tax-related services right at your fingertips. Once on the homepage, scroll down to find the Contact Us link, usually located in the footer section of the page. Click it, and you'll be taken to the TurboTax support page, which is designed to help you with all kinds of queries. On the support page, you'll find multiple options for reaching out, including phone numbers, email addresses, and live chat. This allows you to choose the communication method that works best for you. If you're calling, make sure to have your account information, relevant documents, and a clear description of your issue ready. Being prepared will make your call faster, more efficient, and ensure you get the help you need. By following these steps, you can easily connect with TurboTax support